Howdy everybody and welcome to another video of Nick attempts to do flow art. So far it's had mixed success. A few weeks back I tried to do an experiment painting on just pieces of wood. Didn't go too well. Kind of looked like, I just spilled paint on it. So, same piece of wood, this time a different kind of effect. I'm going to cover it and use it just like a canvas and just see what happens. I have pots of magnolia paint because I've got tons of it, and then do a Dutch pour over the 4 pieces together and we'll see how it goes. I also have simple white tiles again. I have quite a lot of these in storage and I've seen people painting on these. Might as well have a go. We shall see. Experiments, that's what we do. Let's get on. Cue the video playing. I suddenly get everyone and everywhere wants to make explosions and blow things and smash things. For this, I'm going with trusty purple, a mixed gold. Basically this just keeps getting more and more mixed. It's just cheap craft paint. Oops, that's not a table. The end of the table's there. It's a mixed gold of craft store paint and cheap paint. That is magnolia to match this. Magenta, start off with Payne's grey. This has got 10% coral leading in it. I just wanted to see what would happen. So again, experiment. So I'm thinking, oops. Squirty paint. I'm going to put the magnolia on, see if it makes a difference in colour. Interesting, got some grey in there for some reason. I do love this purple. Every time I use it I'm like, ooh, it's definitely my favourite colour.
벌써 몇 번째인지 몰라 사랑에 빠진 것 같아
Finally, very full up liquid gold. You ready?
정말 다른 것 같아 진지해요 놀리면 안 돼요
Liking those two. Not sure about that. Maybe if we just do a dribble down here.
진지해요 사랑에 빠진 나 딸기야 날 웃음 질 수 있게 해줘요
Okay, given the success of that first pour, I'm going to try again, this time with a bit bigger pieces, and pour.
Well, I've been thinking about you, and I think I have to listen, because...
Okay, have a little bit of silver and some pink. Try again.
Come, won't you come along? And it feels so right. It's like luck is raining on me. Go and follow your heart. Doesn't matter how far. There is so much love to give. Something's telling me this time.
See, this is much more my expressionist side of it. I can throw paint rather than the dribbling thing.
To give. Something's telling me it's right. When you came to me, oh, I knew
That, just work off the anxiety. Okay, here we go.
be alone again, all day, oh yeah, all day. Please stay in my arms, Lord. Don't wanna show me if we're together.
Pause. Got paint in my trousers.
A few moments later.
Sorry.
It don't matter if it rains all day, Fly.
Got 4 tiles. We're not gonna take the whole out of this time. That didn't work. Paint base.
난 아무 말도 할 수가 없었지. 첫눈에 반한다는 이야기가 널 보는 순간 이해가 됐어. 매번 야야야야야 불러 널 야야야야 내 맘을 고백하려고 타이밍만 보는 나. 그런 나를 넌 보며 왜 그러냐고 묻네 너 때문에.
Waste too much of this. I need to go on to the next level.
I'm going crazy. 무뎌져 버린 내 가슴이 뛰어.
We'll call that one done. Move on to this one.
시간은 계속 흘러만 가고.
At first I thought, that's not working, but now it just looks like a marble tile. 2.
성급한 나의 고백을 넌 거절할까 두려워서.
Last one.
야야야야야 불러 널 야야야야 네가 제일 좋아하는 게 뭐냐고 물어본 나. 그런 나를
If we just dribble some colours over it.
만지는데 I'm going crazy. I'm going crazy. 무뎌져 버린 내 가슴이 뛰어. I'm going crazy. Yeah. I'm going crazy. 어쩔 수 없는 걸 널 보며.
What do you think? Would you buy it? If so, it'll be available on Etsy shop probably. Or you can just leave a message underneath and say, I want that. Well, there we go. It's a couple of days later and we have panels. 4. But I would say that the grey painting has worked. More successful than most of the paintings done with the white hat. These look quite impressive. There is also, similarly, 3 panels of the big thing. I've already had comments saying people like them, so that's good. And finally, I'll do one of these because I can't hold all 4. That's the thing. Once again, can you see the face? As always, I can see a face. Oh, pretty girl. You see her? With flowy hair. That's the first pour. That was the first one, the one that all the paint went onto. And if you like this, and you could see yourself owning a wood panel art piece on your wall, or tiles, or even if it's just a necklace or a pair of earrings, all of them are available to buy on etsy.com/London Creative Art. And if you like this video and you thought it was good, you could give it a thumbs up. You should leave me comments down below, talk to me, and you know the rest. Subscribe. If you've watched this far, you may as well click subscribe and then come back next time for something different, something in London and or being creative. Simple. Why aren't you following? Go on, please, it'd help. And until next time, I shall see you soon. Bye. Lost my painting hat. My white painting hat was covered in. I've lost it. I can't find it anywhere. So we've got a substitute. So we'll see how this goes. It might be good. It starts every time. Every time you start a video, someone screams. A child runs up and down the road going, "Ah!" I guess it's better than the man upstairs going, "Ah!" So far, that's not happened. Oh, great. She's going well. The nozzle to the hairdryer's vanished. So far I've lost my hat. I can't get the hairdryer. Found it. If the guy downstairs would just shut up, I'll be onto something. Take 3. This is not going well today. My sink's leaking. The idiot upstairs is playing the same noise that he has been playing for 4 hours. And I tried editing the start of this video, the pour and all that, in DaVinci Resolve, and it's crashed twice. Don't think it's going to work, so we're going to be stuck editing in iMovie. I didn't want to. I want to use Resolve and have all the funky things, but it doesn't work. DaVinci, Blackmagic, help! Send me a computer. Let me have a big thing that will actually work. It's a bit. I did that wrong.